Greetings everyone, I'm Andrew, SM Cloud Engineer. Envision a scenario on Ivanti ITSM where you're tasked with manually creating 20 new users, meticulously preparing workspaces, and generating hundreds of internal or external tasks for each. Does that sound like an enjoyable challenge? Or more like a drain on your time, efforts, and emotional well-being? Well, fear not. Our dedicated SM Cloud team has developed an innovative plugin designed to streamline and automate these complex workflows. With the simple upload of an Excel sheet, all the heavy lifting is taken care of automatically. To experience this efficiency boost, just open an existing incident, service request, or any other business object. Click on the Excel Attachment tab, upload your file, and voila! All the necessary tasks are instantly generated, and the entire process is completed in less than a minute. That's the magic of it. We highly value your feedback and warmly welcome you to share your thoughts with us. Thank you for your time.